Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Red Dead Redemption 1 game. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the sensitivity settings for your controllers on this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Red Dead Redemption game on your device, and you may continue to play from wherever you left off, or you can also change the sensitivity settings right from the main menu. It is recommended that you start a game, as this will let you to check how the sensitivity feels while you are making the changes. So from your gameplay, simply tap on the escape button to pause the game. And now from the pause menu, go ahead and click on options. Now within the options page, if you are playing with a gamepad, just click on the gamepad option, and now within the controls section, you will see the sensitivity option. If you wish to increase your sensitivity, then you can slide this toggle towards the right. And if you wish to decrease it, you can slide it towards the left. After choosing your desired sensitivity level, you can go back to your game and check how your sensitivity feels. You can make any changes by going back to the same menu once again if you wish. Now, if you're playing using a keyboard and mouse, go back into the pause menu once again, and then click on options. From here, you will now need to choose the keyboard option, and now within the keyboard settings, just look at mouse look sensitivity, where you will find the slider once again. Now, just as before, you can increase this by sliding it towards the right, or decrease it by sliding it towards the left. Just choose your desired sensitivity level, and you also have the aim sensitivity that you can change, which will affect your sensitivity while you are aiming using any weapon. After choosing the sensitivity level for this as well, you can go back to your gameplay, and now your sensitivity settings will be applied to your character right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings within the Red Dead Redemption game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.